In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to format text on Discord. Now, if you've ever been on a Discord server and you see somebody using italics or bold or underline or really any combination of those three, you might be wondering, how was that done? Well, we're going to show you. So, I started off with italics because that's pretty easy. It is a single asterisk or star, depending on whatever you want to call it. And this is in italics. Or you can do a single underline as well. Also italics, no difference. Now let's move on to bold. Bold is 2 stars. Pretty easy to remember. Nothing special there. If you want to do bold italics, in case you want to be extra, you can do 3 stars surrounding your item. Boom, done. All right, now let's just say, all right, I want to underline something. So it is 2 underscores to underline an item surrounding your text. All right, now let's do some more combinations. Let's say you want to do underline italics. It's the 2 underlines, a star, your text, star, 2 underlines. Essentially, it's similar to HTML. You're opening and closing your tags there. Now you've got underline italics. Underline bold is done in the similar fashion. 2 underlines, 2 stars, 2 stars. Or your text, 2 stars, 2 underlines. Pretty easy. Now let's just say you really want to be extra and you want to do all 3 for some reason. You just combine them the same fashion. It is 2 underlines, 1, 2, 3 stars. Your text, 1, 2, 3 stars, 1, 2 underlines. And there you go. Another one you can do is strikethrough text, which is just 2 tildes, your text, and end it with your 2 tildes. And I don't know if you noticed this while we were doing this, you can see when you finish it off in the Discord desktop app that the preview of your text usually does the bold, the italics, or the strike through while you're typing it if you have the tags correct. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.